Welcome back to Trading Maze. Let me share link. Mm, I'm live, guys. So yeah, let's start the analysis. And also, we took a trade. It went 100 pips up, but unfortunately, it took our SF. So this was the trend line that worked out pretty well, and I didn't want it to work out at all, but finally it did. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, I hope you can hear me, right? Okay. So yeah, so what I'm trying to tell you is this trade, I think it was so gold what it did from our trade, we had took this trade, if you remember correctly, uh, from 660 say, and I think this was expected, but most of you did not expect it, but it was expected. I'll tell you why, because the weekly candle close, I told you it happened above uh, above the all-time high. I'll show you again if you missed that. So that was one, see, gap up opening this candle when it closed above all-time high and gap up opening all of this just and DXY also 98 why the so when all of this is aligned, gold found its way. I know gold 875 तक take it 900 could be but I think 5000 जा सकता है और 4950 कहीं पे भी there will be, let's not predict that because we predicted 750 ka level. I mean yeah, from there it has fallen about 120 pips, but I would not recommend that. I would not recommend key that you go and do that. Let me show you daily time frame. See, when the gap of opening happened, then it's just going up and up and up. I know there's trend lines, there are a lot of trend lines here. So, but 5,000, if it goes for 5,000, that will be uh, the record for gold. I think how much is it up? See, yearly it's up 78%. That is a lot. That is a that is astronomically lot. Because a lot of people invest in gold, and their investments are getting paid off in this year and last year, of course, both the years. But I will expect a fall, probably January, February, March, April पे. But there will be falls, of course. February maybe I'm expecting a fall where it can on a one day single candle it will wipe out the week uh, low, so that can happen. So, but I think that will happen after. So what that's what I'm saying. Ki it might be 94950 or 5,000. 5,000 पे है ही 5,000 of course it's of course I don't know why we have this kind of what is this? So yeah, I mean you have to check guys. 5,000 पे if you want to sell, I think I would want to sell, but 5,000 पे नहीं होगा. I'm telling you. 4,999 या 998 वहीं से सेल होगा. लिख के देता हूँ. ये 5,000 well 5,000 will happen but not the first time. First time I'm saying कि it will fall from 95 to that 5,000 का level. And so I'm asking you to have a stop loss of that कि 96 से sell करना 95 से sell करना and 50 pips ka 60 pips ka stop loss you have. That will work out better than most of the things, I think. Now also, I'm not expecting anything less than buying. So I don't want to sell right now. I don't want to go into selling. And what do you think of it? I don't want to go into selling. Anything I want to buy. Any level I want to buy. So this would be a good level to buy from again. This region is 78 to 72. 60 is correction. But yeah, I think our TP is about to hit. But we were not in this trade. Funny. Anyway, just have this Fibonacci set up so that I can understand. So the way I understand it, Fibonacci is 50% is over here, 842 pair, and the 60% is here. And I want to know how good is Fibonacci right now because 60% where there is something. So I couldn't hold out for that. I'm actually still into buying, guys. I've not set a stop loss, so I'm still into this buying. Uh, Sorry that I didn't tell you before, but anyways, you should have cut it. You should have cut it because we got our risk free, and this was a risk free trade. But I knew that there will be potential, regardless. You shouldn't have because see, 802 there is no level, nothing. Could it be something in 1 hour time frame? I have to check. This लो ये लो से कुछ हो सकता है. I'll see. 50 to 60% level. That's fine, right? It's totally fine. It's about the 60% level. So I think if that's the case, I think we should expect it to respect this level as well. So 50 pair, I'm expecting selling. If you are in the buy, I expect you to have your target set up at 50. Hmm. Let's see if we can take any other buy or something. Hmm. 41 पे बड़ी बड़ा obstacle तो है इधर. It shouldn't be that much. It's already Hmm. Hmm. as I told guys, 41 तक तो आपको हो जाएगा. It's about the trust. I'm actually 250 pips up, so I'm just looking at that. TP लगा दिया है and yeah, let it run, let it run. But let's observe the patterns. Because I think the market will be like this for I think at least this week. This week, though, I'm expecting the market will be like this only, or there will be consolidation ka day. Tomorrow, do you have any news? No, there are no. I mean, I've not seen a perfect uh, news candle in so long. I think you should have it. Gold is so bullish that it's not even showing that. Mm, tomorrow we have some things. Mm, आज ट्रम्प स्पीक किया था ना? Yeah, on 7 p.m. पे. Did we get any impact of that? Hmm. It, okay, not that much as it was, but it gave a breakout. So then this all came. So I think that's something rather nothing. So Trump coming to speak was one kind of a good thing for us because there's liquidity. It showed liquidity. Let's see. Target, I think I'm shifting here. I know I want to. It's possible for this to happen. That will be a selling trade. Let's the buying trade को तो बचा लेते हैं. Okay. I think that okay. 50 रहना चाहिए. This should be this. अच्छा उस पे 50 selling में what can I tell you? I can't tell you higher targets. I don't want to tell you as well because I don't want to sell. But there is a selling level. So I think we can expect this at least. Yeah, 200 pips का trade तो बन जाना चाहिए. At least we can be risk free. So if you want to do selling, but I wouldn't recommend it. But 850 पे it's a good level of selling. So I would say do that, but be risk free. That's the only thing that I would ask. Nothing else. Mm, let's see from before 38 only it fell. I don't think that is a good level for falling. So we will come back. Mm, market structure, man. If market structure works out, that would be something else. And this low did not work out, as I was saying. But this one worked out. I think this is something we've talked about a few already few times right now. This we have observed. It always happens. The double bottom. Whenever there is a there is this kind of a buying movement, it always takes its buys from the intermediate parts. So this one, 33 level, that's a little difficult one to choose. But I think that's this level now at 60% level now. So I think that's sorted in that side. Even though it formed an engulfing candle. Yeah, after it formed an engulfing candle, we did get a fall. And here also we have an engulfing candle and we did get a fall. Okay, it's something we have to look at because I'm seeing engulfing and fall. So now if we get an engulfing candle, I should expect a fall. But I don't think because after 60% ka retest, we probably don't won't be having that. So this is yeah, this is why. This is the trade 815 to 85, 400 pips, man. That's no joke at all. We did have one of the best trades on Monday, Wednesday. So I don't think you're quite off from that. Mm, so I'm analyzing today's open. Let's see from today's open what happened. Yesterday closing also we'll see. The closing somewhere here happened, no? Let's see somewhere here the close happened. Then this candle में ही बताना चाहिए कि this is such a good candle and this is such a great buying level. I want you to remember this buying 80 पे. Let me set a limit order as well there. So, so that is what I'm telling you. So this would be one of the good levels, one of the greatest levels. I think it should work out. I know there is nothing there, but we have discussed this trade before, and even though there's nothing there, there is something there. So you have to get that in such a way. Okay, so this would look something like this. Of course, assuming that gold will be bullish at that time. I hope it will be. It will be only. It will be. Don't worry. Don't worry about that because it won't fall quite. It would cover all this fair value gap right now. No, it won't do that. We'll consolidate here only in this spot. As much as we get, as much as it can. I mean, I've seen this. What? How many times this? It's so long, man. I'm seeing the same thing. I know the SL looks quite big, but the TP will also be in that way. 78 से 21 या जा सकता है रिस्क फ्री हो जाना और then से 90 pips तो लग रहा है I can't do anything about it but TP increase कर सकता हूँ उतना ही but I can't tell you कि it will 1 is to 4.5 is a good trade. Reduce your quantity if you are afraid to give 90 pips का reduce half of your quantity then it should be fine right ठीक है all right and if that doesn't work I think that will work out that should work out the second trade will be here 760 level पे होना चाहिए 760 level पे is this whatever block okay be sure and this will be a little less sell than before I hope so the 60 70 pips only if it doesn't happen this will happen if this happened this will also happen but the SL TP will decrease It will depend upon what happened here. What happened after here? We can set our TP in such a way. Okay? No, I don't want to look at selling anymore because I'm too much into buying. I'm concerned about buying. That's all. Okay? Hmm. Just 15 minutes only, no? Yes. 15 minutes में ही देखना है. We don't want to deviate ourselves. ये भी हो सकता है ऐसे. Now things. So पहले ये हो सकता है next day ये हो सकता है. But let's see. Let's see what gold does. But I don't think it will fall that easily. It will consolidate a lot and lot and lot at here. ठीक है. Mm, anyways, so yeah, from the start, if we understand this candle, then it came back. Is this the start? No, it's not the start. This is the start. So yeah, it consolidated there and 785. All this all-time highs, all-time highs. So see, 84 to 800 pair. It did not give a single damn about that level, 4,800. But I think now it did 802 pair. But come on, guys. I mean, gold is not even saying 4,800 is a good level. Just blast past it. And after, I think, morning pair, light consolidation was there. 850 pair, 850 pair. See, 840, 50 pair. There was a red candle until, okay, this is a good one. 200 plus trade, whips ka trade, eh? Interesting. But after that, also it went away. It closed like this. I think this was the region we should have bought. And this would have been a very easy trade if you ask me. After closing of this for 49 pay, after looking at 53 तक जाके if it closed like 49 तक close कर दिया. So I'm buying it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm buying it and I bought. Then next will be, of course, not 888. Now where it fell from, interestingly. But sure, with this engulfing candle would have been my understanding. Ki, yeah, we have to be out. And I think this is a 50% का कुछ level होगा. 60% नीचे आ गया. Interesting. What level is this? 82. Here, something must have happened. 1245 पे. Hmm. This candle happened. Something happened at 1245. That's why see this bigger red candle happened, and that is why gold may also we have this candle, engulfing candle. Hmm. See what did I tell you? Don't panic because we are into buying. Why is there a reason for panic? Because I told you 38 is not a great level for selling. I don't know. So that is also a kind of a thing that you should understand. See, here 56, fine. I'll agree that 55 से कुछ हो सकता है. Here engulfing का cover है तो that's fine. Here what is this level? 70, 80, 80 है तो fine. 88 फिर भी understandable. 32. This is I think odd level. This is the only odd level. I think 4 hours में कुछ होना चाहिए. Forex में भी कुछ नहीं दिखा। Forex में actually a big engulfing candle form, but मैं बोल रहा हूँ 55 तक तो आ ही जाएंगे। पता नहीं। If it can, but trade is in such a way, or SL includes it, includes the 55 level. At least we should be fine. That's what my understanding is. ठीक है, about to hit my TP. Shouldn't be that, yeah, that difficult. Let's try to do this. I think it should work out. Hmm? TP about to hit, I think 10 bits to go. Mm, come on, don't make it late now. 2041 almost. My TP is there, 41 C or something. Surely, come on. I'm uh, I'm thinking of you can't do this to me in right now. If you remember, Goblin characters, I don't know what his name is. Goblin's character actor is there, no? So there's a meme about around him. Yeah, TP hit, guys. TP hit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What did I tell you? But yeah, I know it's a single kind of a thing. This I get 120 of SL, but I didn't see the SL by the way. But we were risk free. But that's what the important part was. Let's try this trade when it comes to that level of 50 of risk rako. Then it should or should not work out, but risk free to then I see. So all the trades we need to do, I have told you. This is 79 peg level, 70, 60, 760 peg level. I know that it has to come down for this to happen, but I'll tell you what. So this might happen in a long future, but I don't know. I have to. So tomorrow का news पे depend करता है कि if news is good for US. I don't know what the forecast is. Forecast. Let's see the forecast. If the news is good for US, I'm seeing unemployment claims, high unemployment claims, so bad for US. So yeah, tomorrow also I think gold will rise, and 488. Uh, I wouldn't say that's a great level. At least 900 तो चला ही जाएगा. I have no concern about that. So we did do two tips right now, and in this trade, let's try to capture some because selling pay I'm not very confident. Buying pay I'm very confident though. Hmm, ठीक है, ठीक है, okay. Hmm, seeing the P. Okay. So yeah, 49 पे, 50 पे करते हैं. This high is what I'm expecting. Let's see if that high is a 4 hour or 1 hour का some high. Some significant high, just not 15 minute. Hmm, नहीं है, 1 hour पे नहीं है. तो 4 hour में भी it won't be there. So yeah, I think this TP should be somewhere around here. और scalp ही कर दो. Scalp ही कर दो. 80 pips तो scalp 120 pips 100 pips कर दो. You're selling I can't tell you anything about selling as because uh, very difficult. This is also 850 ka selling. You know, it could be good. It could be good, but yeah, no proper motivation around selling. Hmm. This level I explained. This level I explained, and yeah, double top level. And what will see this level is what I'm interested in. This would definitely give us the TP that we need. How much is it? 400 whips. We should easily be able to capture this. See again? And yeah, 760 also is a kind of a good thing. Mm, but I don't think it will give us that. But यहाँ से तो I think all time high चले जाना चाहिए. From here 780, I think we can go to 4900 as well. Let's see. Mm, yeah, explain you whole day. That's the whole day. So eventually don't just trade and predict it. Just try to react to the market. That's my uh, take on these kind of markets. What I'm saying, just react to it. You don't have to be too accurate or precise with your trades, but you just have to be uh, understanding the patterns and go with the flow. Okay, see, here we have an engulfing candle. I'll tell you why. What I observed. Here we have an engulfing candle, this much big candle. So when it came back, it tested this order block, right? So it tested that order block and it consolidated a little bit. It came back. It went to 881. But this is, I think, Trump's speech was happening, right? 7 p.m. But Trump's speech was happening. So I think this was a kind of a liquidity candle. Then it had a very big fall. So this fall, maybe you have predicted, you have not predicted. Regardless, what I'm telling you is react to it. So wherever engulfing happened, and if engulfing was here, then what happened? It came back and it fell. It did not take out the high, na. So what do you expect? To sell here somewhere around 70s and TP over SL over here. 72 to 82 will be your SL and target the low. And that's the sensible thing that anybody will do, no? Fair value cover, it fell, came back. This will be my selling area, fair value gap covering. Then I'd say I'm not expecting this high to be taken out because it has not taken out here. Then that would be my 120 pips ka sell. Fine. I'll reduce my risk and TP would be the low. The low of what? Last low. This is the last low. 370 pips ka. ठीक है? That's how you should work out and see how it. I think in how many minutes? One, two, three, four. In 1 hour, you have that TP and no drawdown. I mean, I can see no drawdown here at all. It's a very less drawdown trade. I mean, it could possibly be a high drawdown trade, but it's not, right? So I think this should be you guys should have analyzed this and should have taken this. I mean, the same thing happened again. See, I'm telling you the day is repeating itself. So another engulfing candle. Now the same thing, same fair value gap का टेस्ट यहाँ पे हुआ तो the trade will look like this. But I know the SL is very high. Reduce the SL, reduce the quantity. That's all I can tell you. But TP देखो, TP देखो, next low. I know there's next not the next low, but yeah, यहाँ पे टारगेट कर सकते हैं ये वाला 800 टारगेट होगा 802 तक गया है तो somewhere around here. So that could be a trade. I know that's a big SL cut trade, which is 1:2 का trade है, but you can reduce the risk as you can as you go. ठीक है? So you can this is 15 minutes. You can go into 5 minutes and see if there's a red candle forming here, then you can take a trade, lessen the stop loss. Hmm. Same thing here. I'm seeing a see engulfing. I've seen a buying a engulfing here. That is when I told you buy from here. As fast as I saw this engulfing, buy from this fair value gap. That's what I said. And we hit our TP, this TP also, this TP also. Two TPs we hit. And let's see this selling trade. I don't know how much trust I have in selling. I don't have much though, but we can try. At least 850 ka level has been a support before. Yeah, it has been a support around here in 215 London session pair. So we could try. We could try. It has also been selling level once before. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what gold will do. Hmm. Have a 60. So what the uh, logic behind this trade is? It's a Fibonacci ka level. First, that's the one. And we just got out of the buying trade. And see, uh, I'm also let's enter. Hmm. About to enter, guys. 50 pe. Not hit the 50 level yet. We need that 50 level. Hmm. Place the limit order. Do it with less quantity because less trust in the selling. Yeah, let's go, guys. Enter the trade. Less quantity rakhna as possible because buying is what I'm expecting. But there is a Fibonacci ka there and there is a top here. I know that's not a very significant top. Let's see what to do. New 15-minute, okay, new 1 hour ka open. That's interesting. New 1 hour ka open happened. Just touched the 60% level, 50.99 something. Hmm, let's see where risk-free level is. 50 इसका SL है तो ideally 45 पर आएगा, right? 45 is there. Okay. Let's see 48 पे चल रहा है 48 पे 30 pips more we can be risk free. Hmm. और scalp ही कर लो I don't know. But 60% है and there is a top there but it closed above the top. Top का तो significance ही चला गया. Hmm. It's night, so there is a expectation that market can come back to this level, 834 ka level. So that also could be selling logic. This is also a bigger level, not a smaller level also. मतलब 1 hour bigger 1 hour level है. I think 4 hour maybe this level works. Yeah, 4 hour में also there is a level there. So let's see how good it is. Hmm, just missed our risk free. 45 8 के पास आया था. Hmm. What is DXY doing at this time? Hmm. DXY is going up. Good for us. Hmm. Okay. Here we can expect some downside movement in DXY. Hmm. Not getting that confirmation, guys. देखते हैं फिर भी देखते हैं. We are just on 8 pips away from our risk-free level. If we are risk-free, we can be uh what you call it, tension-free or whatever. Or you can reduce your SL. इस top के ऊपर रख के you can do this. 37 pips या 35 pips का SL रखो. And now you can actually okay, so what? It's showing closed, right? T. Yeah, risk-free हो जाता है अभी. But ideally we shouldn't do that. 50 pips का रखा है तो 50 pips का रखा है. Let's go guys, risk-free about to hit, risk-free, be risk-free. Let's go 50 pips in the chat. Let's go. Hmm, risk-free guys. Hit हो गया है 45. रिस्क-फ्री कर लो यहाँ पे ये कर लो क्योंकि बोला है कि this will be a yeah, buying में हम we're taking selling. So I would want you guys to be risk free guys. ठीक है. ये risk free हो जाना 45 तक आ गया है. It went 2 times. ठीक है. I'll, I'll tell you what happens with this trade. And I want to switch this SL to this guys, 30 pips guys. Okay. Because if it comes back, I know it's gonna take it out because that's how you manage a trade. You have to manage your risk, and now we understand if it comes back, it's not our trade, and we have to give it back. Okay, and this could be a level where it could try to go back. 41 ka this level. What do you have to check? Okay, that's all right. Risk free, guys. Uh, great trades today. Uh, I mean, I explained you what the price action. Even if we were earlier a little bit, what would have been price action? If we follow that, I don't think there should be any doubts regarding that. Okay. Bye bye guys. Take care. We'll come back tomorrow with the same motivation. And yeah, what I want to tell you was yeah, we are up I think 700 pips on the week, 300 more to go. 1 day remaining, one more day remaining. So yeah, there's that. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Uh, we'll meet you tomorrow. Trade with Maze. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Telegram channel. There are post trades every day, and I do come live every working day, every trading day. So keep an eye on that. Okay? Bye bye. Take care.